In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a matrix report in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to optimize your reporting, this tutorial will walk you through each step with clarity and ease, ensuring you can generate insightful reports for your team. First, let's dive into Salesforce. Begin by navigating to the Reports tab, which can be found in your main dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the New Report button. This is your starting point for generating any report. Here, you'll be prompted to select a report type. For this example, let's choose Opportunities, which is a common selection for tracking sales data. Once you've selected your report type, simply click Start Report to proceed. Now that you have your basic report set up, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. Head over to the Filters tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you can define the scope of your data. To ensure you're working with a complete data set, set your constraints to All Time. This will populate your screen with all relevant data, giving you a comprehensive view. With your dataset defined, it's time to build the grid that will form the basis of your matrix report. Switch over to the Outline tab, which is also located on the left. This is where you can start organizing your data into a meaningful format. First, let's focus on grouping rows. You'll want to search for a field that will serve as your vertical axis. A common choice is Close Date, as it allows you to organize data by when deals were finalized. Simply search for Close Date and add it as your vertical field. Next, let's group the columns. For this, you'll need to search for a field to serve as your horizontal axis. A great option here is Stage, which will categorize your data by the stage of each opportunity. Once you've found Stage, add it as your horizontal field. This dual-axis setup allows you to visualize the relationship between different data points clearly. Once your grid is set up, there's one more adjustment to make for a cleaner look. Towards the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a toggle labeled Detail Rows. This toggle controls whether detailed data is displayed or not. For a summarized numerical grid that's easier to digest at a glance, you'll want to turn off the Detail Rows toggle. This collapses the list view, leaving you with a neat, concise summary of your data. Finally, it's time to save your hard work. Click on the Save and Run button to finalize your report. This will not only save your configuration for future use, but also generate the report based on your current settings, allowing you to view and analyze your data immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created a matrix report in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can easily customize and generate detailed reports to suit your business needs. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.